our clients are very important to us and their problems and needs. We always try to provide not only the best solution from the technical side, but also a solution that is cost-effective, optimized for their needs. The types of solutions we offer to our clients are from the simple solutions for specific training needs and purposes, like a GDPR, for example, to very engaging, interactive trainings with gamified components. We also develop a lot of trainings that are product specific or application specific. We try to replicate that environment into e-learning solution, giving a user an experience and a feeling of being in the actual application.